Hello guys, this is Money Grind here. So let's discuss about the price action for Bitcoin and Ethereum since Omicron happened. Enjoy! Hello guys, this is Money Grind here. So it's been roughly 1 week since Omicron happened. So let's look at our price action for Ethereum. A little recap here. So last week we mentioned that the price broke down from its support line and it failed to form a tower bottom, and the price continued to trend downward since then, and the overall trend for the coin should be bearish. And since then I have updated the chart to include a trading range, because as you can see here, since our breakdown last week, so the price has been trading within this trading range. But if we try to look at the overall market sentiment, we can see that during the downward price movement, the volume is always on the higher side. So this tells us that overall, between the bulls and the bears are a little bit stronger here. So definitely the overall market sentiment is still bearish, as you can see from our RSI oscillator here, that this line is still in bearish territory. But we can observe that all the short-term, medium-term, and long-term RSI are neither overbought or oversold. In fact, they are very normal now. So I guess that's a good thing. If we look at our MACD indicator here, so it tells us that the overall trend is bearish. So this is in agreement with our RSI indicator here. So both indicators tell us that the trend is bearish, but there's just one slight difference here, and that is our MACD indicator is oversold a little bit. So depends on which indicators you want to believe. So it can either be normal or a little bit oversold. And we can see from the price action here that the current price movement is still around our first support line, and our second support line still hasn't been breached. So this support line is quite strong because it has been tested for at least 2 times, 3 times, maybe here 4. So this support line has been tested 4 times. So I think it will take a lot of effort to break through this support line, and we just have to see how the trend goes. But for the moment, I wouldn't be too optimistic about. I mean, I could be wrong, but for the moment, I would say that the price should continue hover within this trading range until there are new triggers that causes drastic movement within the price. So let's go to Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, a little bit of recap for last week. So last week we mentioned that the price is trading within a trading range, and the overall trend of the coin is bearish. And I still maintain the bearish assessment for Bitcoin, but I have since revised the width of our trading range to reflect a new price movement until it finally broke through our support line here. But just for a while, because as we can see here, it broke through above the support line 2 days later, and currently we are still within this trading range. So if we look at the trading volume, you can see that the price movement is heavy on the downside and lighter on the up. So this definitely tells us that the bears are the stronger one here. So definitely the whole price action for Bitcoin is still bearish. And if we look at our indicator, so for our RSI indicator, so yep, the trend is bearish here, and this is supported by our MACD here. So the MACD is also bearish here. So both indicators are telling us that the overall trend is bearish. But one thing they differ is that so this is same with Ethereum. So for RSI, the coin is neither oversold or overbought. But if we try to look at our MACD here, so it actually tells us that the coin is a little bit oversold. But for now, I think it's more important to focus on the overall trend. So we can see that since the price broke down from our resistance line here, so it has been consistently hovering around our first Fibonacci retracement here, but it remains to be seen whether our second retracement support can be hit. But we will just have to see and continue monitoring the price, and we will see how the price move next week. So that would be all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I was making it. Please subscribe and smash the like button if you find value in this video. Do leave us a comment down below if you have any other topics or coin that you would like us to cover, and we may cover it in the next video. So cheers, and until next time!